Konnichiwa everyone. Today's Tokyo Hot Spring Hotel tour is Dormy Inn Tokyo Hatchobori. It's a 7-minute train ride from the hub Tokyo Station and 15-minute train ride to Tokyo Disney Resort. The hotel is built like an apartment with an atrium. Since it has a hot spring, aka onsen, it features various Japanese-like decorations. The room I stayed in is on the 9th floor, a Japanese-style twin bedroom which costed approximately 10,000 yen or $100 per night. The room floor has tatami mats and a low futon-like bed. Now, here's the bathroom. The hot spring is on the 2nd floor. Photos and videos are not allowed in the bath, so I borrowed photos from the official website. The women's bath has 3 baths, one indoors, one outside, and a white silky bath outside that moisturizes your skin. After a hot bath, grab a free popsicle at night or a probiotic drink in the morning. This is the original roomware. You can also eat free ramen at night. A luxurious flower wild orchid set in the lobby which signifies purity. Thank you for watching. See you next time.